द हंग्री फॉक्स, ये आउटलाइंस मौजूद हैं और एक्चुअल स्टोरी यहाँ से। Once a fox was hungry. He went out in search of food. He reached a vineyard. He saw a bunch of grapes. His mouth began to water. He jumped up to get them, but the grapes were too high. He tried again and again but failed. At last he gave up the attempt. He went away saying, "The grapes are sour." Moral: people pretend to dislike things that they cannot get. जैसे यहाँ पे मोरल लिखा है ना, आपने यहाँ से नहीं, आपने यहाँ से लिखना शुरू करना है, ठीक है।